Okay, I'm here, like the same place with Pastor Ugatis, and also we have a pastor here from Cabanglasan. It's another town. The same we presented it to him, though he is already an associate of us. But we tried to, I tried to explain and see it in a big picture, and I want to ask him if what does he think about this and if we will pursue this or not. Okay, this is
Um,
Pastor Dundun from Cabanglasan. What do you think,
uh,
Pastor? Do you think it will work?
I personally, uh, I heard what you discussed earlier. So everything that you said is a big part of my life, and I will gonna support that ministry instead of sitting down. Why not go and collect some reliefs and everything that we can say that uh, we can use that to those needy or the poor.
So it is
So
effective.
yeah, it's effective, and
So you see that
it's,
it will work.
yeah,
What do you
I
think?
believe, and everything must be to the Lord.
Okay. Thank you, Pastor.